Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about on what is Canva. So Canva is a free to use online graphic designing tool which you can download on your computer. So you can use the app or you can just use it online. So let us talk about what is the purpose of Canva as well. So Canva is a designing tool that can be used in education or to create projects. You can also create resumes and many other digital content with Canva. You can also, as you can see over here, for social media, videos, marketing, Canva is basically an all-rounder. It's like an office, but not just your typical office stuff. It's more than just that. So it's presentations, posters, documents, and Canva is the office of visual content. Yes, that's the word I was searching for. So you have Microsoft Office for all your office documentation, and Canva is the office of visual content. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.